In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Microsoft Access for home pages on front-end designing. Start by opening Microsoft Access and then open the database you want to enhance. If you see a security warning, enable content so your buttons and macros can run. With the database open, we'll build the dashboard as a form that acts like a clean, clickable home page. Head to the Create tab and choose Form Design. Access will open a blank form in Design view. This is your canvas. Think of it as the front door to your database where users can quickly navigate to forms, reports, or key tasks without digging through the navigation pane. Let's design the form's appearance. Open the property sheet with the form selected and set a simple, readable theme. Choose a background color with good contrast and add a large, clear title using the label control, something like dashboard so users immediately know where they are. Arrange your layout using guides and align tools. Clean spacing will make the dashboard feel professional. Keep fonts consistent and avoid cramming too much on one screen. Next, add navigation buttons. In the controls group, select the button tool and place a button where you want it. If the wizard appears, pick an action like opening a form or report, then select the target object and give the button a friendly text caption. If the wizard is off, use the property sheet and set the on-click event to a macro with open form or open report. Rename each button clearly so maintenance is easy later. If you want extra value, add data summaries and visuals. You can drop in text boxes bound to queries that return counts or totals, or use expressions like decount to show KPIs. For visuals, insert a chart control or subform with grouped data to give at-a-glance insight. Keep these concise so they support rather than clutter navigation. Refine the form's properties to make it feel like a true homepage. In the property sheet, turn off record selectors and navigation buttons, set scroll bars to neither, and hide dividing lines. Consider setting the form to single form view and locking controls that shouldn't be edited. Save your form with a clear name. Now set it to open at startup. Go to File, Options, then Current Database. In the Display Form dropdown, choose your new dashboard form. Click OK, then restart the database. When it reopens, your dashboard should load automatically, ready for users. That's it. You now have a clean, purposeful Access dashboard that launches on startup and guides users where they need to go.